Welcome back to my channel. If you've ever caught your dog rolling over and exposing their belly, you might think they just want a belly rub. But what if I told you this simple action could reveal a lot more about your furry friend's emotions, instincts, and even their health? Dogs don't just roll over for fun, there's a secret message behind it. It could be a sign of ultimate trust, a playful invitation, or even a way of saying, "I need help." Some dogs do it to submit, while others have learned that rolling over gets them exactly what they want: your attention, belly rubs, or even a tasty treat. But here's something you might not expect. If your dog suddenly stops rolling over, it could be a red flag for discomfort, anxiety, or even joint pain. Understanding your dog's body language is key to strengthening your bond and making sure they're happy and healthy. So, how do you know if your pup is rolling over for love, play, or something more serious? Stick around, because today, we're breaking down the real reason your dog rolls over for you, and what they're trying to tell you. 1. The ultimate sign of trust. When your dog rolls over and exposes their belly, it's one of the biggest signs of trust. In the wild, a dog's belly is the most vulnerable part of their body. Predators attack from underneath, making the abdomen a critical area to protect. So, when your dog willingly exposes their belly to you, they're saying, "I trust you completely." Think about it. Dogs don't do this for just anyone. If your dog rolls over around you, it means they see you as their protector and safe space. It's their way of expressing love and loyalty. This is why rolling over is one of the most meaningful bonding behaviors between a dog and their human. However, not all dogs roll over even if they trust you. Some breeds, like German Shepherds or Dobermans, tend to be more reserved and show their trust in different ways, such as following you around, resting their head on you, or bringing you their favorite toy. So, if your dog doesn't roll over, don't worry, it doesn't necessarily mean they don't trust you. To encourage this behavior, build trust through positive reinforcement. Speak in a calm voice, reward good behavior, and avoid sudden movements that might make your dog feel uneasy. Over time, your dog may feel comfortable enough to roll over and show you their deepest level of trust. 2. Asking for belly rubs, or something else. Most dog owners assume rolling over means one thing: belly rub time. And while that's often true, there's more to it than just asking for scratches. Many dogs quickly learn that rolling over gets their human's attention, whether through belly rubs, praise, or even treats. Some dogs roll over simply because they crave affection. If your pup flops onto their back, wags their tail, and looks at you expectantly, they're likely saying, "Hey, give me some love." They know this pose melts human hearts and guarantees extra attention. However, rolling over isn't always about affection, it can also be a playful invitation. During playtime, some dogs roll over as a way to show they're having fun and don't want to be too rough. It's their way of keeping play sessions lighthearted. If you notice your dog rolling over mid-play, they might be signaling that they're just goofing around. But here's where it gets tricky. Some dogs roll over but don't actually want belly rubs. Instead, they could be using this behavior as a calming signal or a way to express submission. That's why it's important to read your dog's full body language. If they seem relaxed, they probably want affection. But if their tail is tucked or they avoid eye contact, they might be feeling unsure or overwhelmed. 3. Submission or anxiety. Not all belly-up moments mean happiness. Sometimes, rolling over is a sign of submission or even fear. If a dog's ears are pinned back, their tail is tucked, and they avoid eye contact, rolling over is their way of saying, "I'm not a threat. Please don't hurt me." This behavior is common in rescue dogs or those that have had past trauma. If a dog was previously punished or mistreated, they may have learned that rolling over stops confrontation. It's their way of avoiding conflict, even if there's no real danger. You might also see this behavior in unfamiliar situations. For example, if your dog rolls over when meeting a new person, they could be feeling unsure about the interaction. It's important to recognize these signals and give your dog space when needed. A key way to tell if your dog is rolling over out of submission is by looking at their overall body language. A confident, happy dog will roll over with loose, wiggly movements and may wag their tail. But a nervous dog will be stiff, hold their tail close to their body, and avoid looking at you directly. If your dog rolls over due to fear, never force interactions. Instead, build their confidence with positive reinforcement, gentle encouragement, and plenty of patience. Over time, they'll learn to feel safe and secure in different situations. 4. A hidden health warning. Did you know rolling over can sometimes be a sign of a health problem? While most dogs roll over as a form of communication, excessive rolling, scratching, or discomfort could mean something is wrong. One common issue is skin irritation or allergies. If your dog is constantly rolling over and rubbing their back against the floor, they might be trying to relieve itching caused by fleas, dry skin, or food allergies. Check their belly for redness, rashes, or unusual bumps. If you notice these signs, a trip to the vet may be necessary. Another possible concern is joint pain or stiffness. If your dog used to roll over frequently but suddenly stops, they could be experiencing discomfort in their hips, spine, or legs. Larger breeds, like Golden Retrievers and Labradors, are especially prone to arthritis, which can make movements like rolling over painful. If your pup hesitates or flinches when rolling over, it's worth getting them checked out. Additionally, some dogs roll on their backs due to digestive discomfort. If your dog does this after eating, they might be trying to ease bloating or stomach pain. This could indicate food sensitivities or gastrointestinal issues. Watch their diet and consider adjusting their meals if needed. While occasional rolling over is completely normal, excessive or sudden changes in behavior should never be ignored. Your dog could be trying to tell you they need help. 5. Strengthening your bond through belly rubs. Now that we know all the reasons dogs roll over, what should you do when your pup does it? Should you always give them belly rubs? The answer is, it depends. Some dogs love belly rubs, while others just like showing their trust. Pay attention to their body language. If they lean into your hand, enjoy. But if they suddenly tense up or move away, they might not be in the mood. Want to encourage more belly-up behavior? Use positive reinforcement. Reward your dog with treats or praise when they roll over naturally. Over time, they'll associate rolling over with happy moments, strengthening your bond even more. And here's a cool fact: physical touch releases oxytocin, the love hormone, in both dogs and humans. So when you rub your pup's belly, you're not just giving them a good scratch, you're actually deepening your connection with them. If you want to teach your dog to roll over on command, start with basic cues like sit and lie down. Then, use a treat to guide them into the rolling motion. With patience and repetition, they'll master the trick in no time. Belly rubs aren't just a fun interaction, they're a way to communicate love, build trust, and create positive memories with your dog. So the next time your pup rolls over, take a moment to appreciate what they're really saying. So, what's your dog really trying to tell you when they roll over? It could mean trust, playfulness, submission, attention-seeking, or even a health concern. Understanding these signals helps you connect with your furry best friend on a whole new level. Now, tell us, does your dog love rolling over? Do they beg for belly rubs, or do they do it for another reason? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun and fascinating dog behavior insights. Thanks for watching, and give your pup an extra belly rub from us.